Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add page-specific meta tags in Salesforce Sites. This is particularly useful when you want to optimize individual pages for search engines or control how they appear when shared on social media, giving you granular control over your site's metadata. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, navigate to the Quick Find box at the top of the page and search for all sites. This search function helps you quickly locate the settings you need without navigating through multiple menus. From the search results, select All Sites under the Digital Experiences section. This will bring you to a page displaying all your Salesforce Experience sites. Here you'll see a list of all the sites you have access to manage. Next, locate the site you want to work with and click the Builder button next to it. This action will open the Experience Builder interface, which is Salesforce's visual editor for customizing your site pages. Give it a moment to load as it prepares the editing environment. Once Experience Builder is open, look for the gear icon in the top left corner of the screen. This is your settings icon. Click on it to open the Page Properties panel where you can access various configuration options for the current page you're viewing. In the Page Properties panel, you'll find a button labeled Edit Head Tags. Click this button to access the head markup section. This is where you can add custom HTML code that will be inserted into the head section of that specific page, which is exactly where meta tags need to be placed for browsers and search engines to read them properly. Now you'll see an editor where you can paste your meta tags. For example, you might add something like opening angle bracket meta name equals quote description, quote content equals quote customer experience page quote closing angle bracket. You can add multiple meta tags here, including description tags, keywords, open graph tags for social media, or any other custom meta tags your page requires. After you've added all your meta tags, click the Save button to apply these changes to that particular page only. It's important to note that these meta tags will only affect the page you're currently editing, not your entire site, giving you that page-by-page customization control. Finally, to make these changes live on your site, click the Publish button in the top right corner. This activates your site with the new meta tags, making them visible to search engines and browsers when visitors access this page. And that's it. You've successfully added page-specific meta tags to your Salesforce site, allowing for better SEO optimization and social media sharing control. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.